Welcome, it is Sheena over at Shebala, and we're gonna do an Ipsy Unpack. This is for September, and I know it's October. Please don't judge me. There has been so much going on, and clearly I haven't been putting out any content, so here I am playing catch up at 11:30 at night. So what did we get this month, y'all? First off, Izzy tried to play me. Y'all know how I feel about sheet masks, and they sent not 2 as normal, but they sent 4 sheet masks. 4 sheet masks. Bruh. Well, I only got one face. They don't even like 1 sheet mask. Anyway, my son used one, and I got a friend that's gonna get another. So I think I'm gonna keep the sheet mask. I saw my esthetician last week. I got a facial, and we've been trying to come up with some ways to hydrate my skin. She was like, oh, you should be doing sheet mask. I'm like, oh, sheet mask. So if you follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, you know I've been doing my sheet mask like once a week. Somebody says sheet mask Monday, so I've been trying to keep up with the Monday program of our sheet mask. So let's us get into the bag, shall we? Let's get into the bag. This is an adorable little bag. Just like some eyes closed. It's like a canvas kind of material with a gold glitter bottom here. Nothing too fancy. The question isn't who is going to let me do it, it's who's going to stop me. Ha! Who's gonna stop me? Who's gonna stop me? Disrupt the system, smash the status quo, make some noise. This month's Glam Bag, plus your 5 personal picks are here to help you stand out from the crowd, create a scene, and express your own unique beauty. Want to color outside the lines? Head over to the Ipsy app for tons of inspiration on how to break beauty rules. Want some more reasons to lash out? Literally, here are some shopping stuff, whatever. So what's in the bag? We'll start with skincare as usual because skincare is skincare. Sheet mask. Here are the 2 remaining sheet masks. I would read it to you in the back, but I have not brushed up on my Chinese or Korean or whichever language this is, please. I just don't know and I'm sorry. Natural Energy Mask Sheet. Avocado is rich in polyphenol and nutrition as a good balance on moisturizing and softening skin. This is from Botanic Farms. Energy from the planet. Sheet mask. On to the makeup. We got a MORPHE highlighter in the color Spark. And that is what it looks like. That's this one right here. That's what it looks like. It's not really too shimmery, but it has a nice pretty shine to it. I can see it like up for a daytime look. We got minimal makeup and you got this going on. And of course you could, you know, use it as a eyeshadow or whatever you want to put it on. So thank you, MORPHE. Blend the Rules is the little compact that it's called. Blend the Rules. Sweet. Next we got Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later Face Primer. I put it on my hand. It doesn't have much of a smell, but I put it on my hand and it didn't go in. Like it didn't rub in. It's really, really thick. I probably wouldn't use this in the summertime. It's super thick. I don't really know how to explain it, like a night cream kind of thick. But I rubbed it in and it kind of has like that blur feel to it. I don't know if it has silicone, like a lot of that kind of stuff has silicone in it. I'll have to dig up the ingredients to see if it does. I know that can kind of impact some folks' skin. So be careful with your primers and as usual, make sure you're doing good by your skin, finding out what you have allergies to or what you're sensitive to. Just don't be throwing stuff on your face, unless you're crazy like me. Next we have this lipstick from BELLÁPIERRE Cosmetics. And it's in Incognito, is the shade. And there it is here. And it's just like a cream lipstick. It's not matte. I wonder if it specifies it. Mineral lipstick, nothing special. And last but certainly not least is my favorite part of Ipsy, and it's the brushes. This brush is so neat. Look at that, it's so cute. It says good night. This is the LUXIE Beauty Harley Quinn Detailed Flat Definer 110 brush. That's a mouthful. That's a whole lot of shit to say. Yeah, so that's what I got in my Ipsy bag this month. I'm excited to use this brush. I have to figure out what I would be doing with it. It doesn't smell. And I'm also excited a little to try the sheet mask. Like I said, I'm gonna give one to a friend, and I'm gonna try the other, you know, again for myself on my Monday. So let me know what you guys got in your Ipsy bag. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Oh, whoa. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I try to take that out of the front. Normally I'm like, hey, you guys are Sheena, subscribe to all my shit and you don't even know what I'm here for. But I was changing up a little bit. So don't forget to subscribe. I also have a website. Check out my website. It's sheenballa.com, spelled the same way, SHEENBALLA. I am a local makeup artist in Greensboro, North Carolina. I would love to grace your face with my presence. I would love to meet you. So if you're in the Greensboro area, check me out. I know we got homecomings coming up, and what else? And beaded bracelets. I did not make these, but I make some similar. Shout out to Kay Pratt. I will put her information in the info box. She makes really awesome jewelry, and I kind of get tired of looking at my own stuff, and I try to support my people. So I wanted to make sure to get something from her. And yeah, I think that's it. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow or the next day, or how many ever times you watch my video. Bye.